How to turn off friend request in Undawn. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In Undawn, if you are looking for a way to turn off the friend request so that you can stop getting unwanted invites while playing, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open Undawn on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the main game section, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu button. In the expanded pop-up, click on Settings from the bottom, and inside Settings, make sure you're inside Basic and scroll down. Look for this friend request option and click on Off right next to it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to turn off the friend request feature. This will stop receiving new friend requests in the game. That's it. Now you can get back to your game and you have stopped unnecessary friend requests in the game. Now you can go ahead and play your game without any kind of a distraction. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.